creative memories, Scrapbooking edition. Today, I will be showing you how we celebrate kids' birthdays in my family. And these are some of my favorite memories. So stay tuned and let's get started.
So for this video, you will need some colored paper or card, some glue, family photos, a pair of scissors and a ruler, markers and pens, balloons and candles, and some other decorations. I've got ribbon. Step 1. Now create the section and title it Birthdays. Then cut this and add it to the scrapbook. Step 2. Now cut some family photos about birthdays and add them to the scrapbook. Then you can write a description about the picture or anything you'd like to write. Birthday celebrations are very special in my family. Oh, and the cake is the most important. Yummy! Now decorate the section however you like. So how do you celebrate your birthday? Let me know in the comments below.
All done. Wow, these are such great memories. Well, thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Goodbye.